Magandang hapon sa magandang gabi sa mga nakapapanood. Konting tip lang para sa inyo. Ano to? Force Cayman. Force Cayman GT. How to unlock manually the shifting gear. How to unlock manually. Remove the first this cover on the shifting lever. First this one cover remove, and the second one this one up little bit, and there is this pin lock right here. Can see that this pin you can release down, push it down, push it down. This one lock, this one lock, push it down and release the neutral, make it neutral. That is very easy. This information to all our technician mechanic. Thank you so much.
Safety, definitely safety.